If you're having trouble logging into Leonardo AI, don't worry, this is usually something you can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to troubleshoot the Leonardo AI login problem, clear out any browser issues, and check whether the platform itself is down. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick AI tutorials. Alright, let's fix it. First, if you're already signed in but the login is acting strange, click your profile avatar in the bottom left corner of the sidebar panel and choose Log Out. This gives you a clean starting point and can resolve session problems that sometimes block access. Next, on your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete. This opens the browser history and data panel. Here, you want to clear your cookies and your cached images and files. If possible, set the time range to the last 24 hours so you only remove the recent data that may be causing the login issue. Then confirm the clear action. After that, open an incognito or private window by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N. This is important because it starts a fresh browser session without most saved data, which can help you quickly test whether the problem is related to your normal browser profile. Once the private window opens, go back to the Leonardo AI platform and try logging in again. If you still can't sign in, the next thing to check is your browser extensions. Click the extension toolbar icon at the top right of your screen and look for any active ad blockers or privacy tools. Extensions like uBlock Origin, strict tracker blockers, or aggressive privacy shields can sometimes interfere with Leonardo AI login pages. Temporarily disable any of those for the Leonardo AI domain, then refresh the page and try again. If the login still fails after that, the issue may not be on your end at all. Open a new browser tab and search for Leonardo AI status. You'll find several websites that track service availability and user reports. Check whether Leonardo AI is operational or if other users are reporting problems too. If there's a widespread outage, the best thing to do is save your prompts, step away, and wait 10 to 15 minutes for the servers to reset. In many cases, the login issue clears up once the platform is back to normal. So to recap, log out, clear cookies and cache, try an incognito window, disable conflicting extensions, and check whether Leonardo AI is down. Those steps solve most Leonardo AI login problems fast. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more simple AI troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.